everybody, it's Denise with Wondubar Crafts, and today I have a little shop share. Well, actually it's not little, it's a nice little size package, and it is from my friend Crafty Cat, and her Etsy is Crafty Cat USA, and I got one of her Mother's Day gift bags that has a card in it, and also a journal. So without any further ado, I just wanted to show you guys. And she packed it really good to make sure that she bubble wrapped it and put the cardboard in there. Oops, sorry. And I grabbed one up because I knew they would probably go. And I think she may still have one. Hold on, let me go check real quick her shop and see if she still has. Yes, guys, she has 2 left in her shop. So I can't wait to show you this. These are just so beautiful, and I can't wait to use it because I bought it to wrap or to put my mom's Mother's Day gift in there. And I love how she wrapped it. Beautiful little lace trim and a little birdie. And she made a little stuffed pocket here. So cute. There's all kinds of goodies in there. And she added a couple little, what are these? Flashcards. Yeah. And a little note, which I'll read here in a minute. And, let's see. And I love how she wraps her stuff in this pattern tissue. I'll try and keep it as unripped as possible. This tissue paper is really good to collage with. Oop. Okay. Now this is the journal that she made, and I will link her, if I can link it up here, I will link it up here so that you can go and check it out. She did a video on putting this together. Actually, I think she did a couple videos to put it together, and I have not, I've gotten a few things that are her art, but I have not gotten a journal from her. So I was excited when I got to pick it out, and I was like, yep, that's the one. But I love it. Look, she put all this raffle in there, behind there, so it actually looks like a bird's nest. And then the doily and all the lace. And that is so cool how she layered it like that. And it actually sits up. It is so cool. And what it is it's like a file folder. And then she sewed some like fabric on the sides to kind of make a gusset. And this is the journal. Just very simple. Nothing too, fancy schmancy. But I like this so that, she gave you plenty of room to write in. And I like that because sometimes I make myself a lot of notes. And then, I'm kind of going through and trying to find, where did I put the note? Whereas if I keep them kind of organized and I just have nice big writing space, it's easier for me to find than trying to flip over tags and figure out where I put everything. But that's just me. That's my personal thing, when I'm writing just personal diary kind of stuff, it's great to have tags. But when I'm using it for like goals or to keep notes on certain stuff, I like to have my stuff a little more organized. But this is really, really simple and pretty, and I love it. And it was extremely well priced. And a nice little card here, little envelope. And tuck something in, made with book pages. She just made it very simple. It's like I would say not. Some people call them naked. I don't think it's quite naked. It's kind of like bathing suit, you know, bikini style. You're a little covered. The good stuff is all covered. Nothing bad is showing. So it's bikini naked. Yeah, so it was very, very simple. And I love it. Thank you, Amy. She did a wonderful job with it. And like I said, I love this. I love how she just does this. I don't know if they call that like steampunk or something, but it's kind of like a cross between like a vintage grungy steampunk. And I love that about junk journaling, is you can cross over so many thresholds. So many thresholds. She put some ledger in there and plenty, like I said, plenty of writing space. Plenty, plenty, plenty of space for me to write my notes. Because I needed something that I could jot some of my, I've kind of started, I'm trying to learn Photoshop. I normally use Corel. And I know that they're kind of I'm learning very much similar, but there are a lot of differences. So I like to have my stuff kind of organized, but I don't want big sheets of paper to have to write everything down. This is perfect for that. So this is going to be kind of my learn as I go and keep my notes kind of thing. So, and then she did like one of these little coin envelopes. I love the color on these, because normally you only ever see them either in white or the manila color. Sorry, I'm trying to kind of be as fast as I can, because yesterday we lost power yesterday evening for a bit because we had some storms come through. We got mostly wind here, but about 20 miles away where my best friend lives, they got like big marble size hail. And then we had, but our power went out. So I was going to try and video this yesterday and didn't get a chance. And then today, we just got back a little bit ago from, I love these cards. I like that one. Is that a Tim Holtz? But anyways, we, oh, I can put my little birdie in here. I like that. And so, I lost my train of thought here. Trying to do too much at once. So I had to go to Kansas City today for a doctor's appointment, and yeah, that's pretty. I love it. But we just got back, so I figured I'd try to get this done in case we lose power, because it is storming. We got flash floods, we got lightning and thunder, so don't be surprised if you hear some boom, boom, booms in the background. That is what it is. But I love it. Like I said, I love this journal. It was very reasonably priced, and it's very simple, and it has plenty of space for me to write all my little notes and stuff. So thank you, Amy. You did a wonderful job with this. And then this is what I got to put my Mother's Day gift in. And she does have 2 more left in her shop. They are gorgeous, and you better get them before, so she can get them shipped out. Because I think Mother's Day is what, the 12th? Sorry, my chair is squeaky. I need a new chair. I think I got like 2 or 3 screws missing from the chair. Well, I might have some screws missing too, Yes, the 12th. The 12th. So, gosh, that's like 12 days away already. But this beautiful little bag, it's just like she tea stained it. And look at this, guys. Isn't this gorgeous? I love the colors. I know my mother is going to love it because it's very kind of shabby chic pink, and my mom likes that too. She loves the vintage grunge as well, but I think she's really going to like this. It's just, and that's what it is, just a small gift bag. It's fully decorated. I mean, this is a gift in itself. And then up on top, she made this beautiful card. Isn't that so pretty? And then I can just write on the back, and then she can always keep her little card here. It is just gorgeous. I mean, I love how she did it with all these doilies. And this kind of doily, I think, is like that spongy, what do they call that? It's like that foam sponge styrofoam kind of stuff. I like those. I haven't been able to find those here. Amy, you'll need to tell me where you get those. She probably gets them online. But I love it. And then she just layered it, and it's so pretty. I love it. Thank you, Amy. But like I said, I got it from Crafty Cat USA is her shop. I will link her below. She also has a video on how she put these together, and I will try and link it up here and also below. If you don't see the little eye icon up here, it will definitely be below. So I will list her videos, her YouTube channel, and her Etsy. But like I said, guys, she's only got like 2 left. So if you want to go grab one up, go take a look at them. They're both beautiful. I had a hard time trying to choose which one I wanted to get. So, but it wasn't about me. It was about my mom. So I knew I had to pick one that I thought my mom would like. So, but anyways, guys, I just wanted to make it a quick little video, and I'm gonna read my note real quick, and I'll be back on in just a second. Like I said, I just want to read it and make sure I'm not leaving anything out. Oh, she sent me this pretty little card, and it just says thank you. Thank you, Amy. Hey, you know, it's easy to be, to be giving and friendly with like people. You know, when people are of like mind and like attitudes, it's hard not to, But anyways, guys, I just wanted to stop in and show you guys what I had gotten and do a shop share. And I will be back on again shortly. I got some goodies that I'm going to be loading in the shop, and a little digital. Yeah, I've been working on that too. That's been keeping me up late at night. So, but anyways, guys, I will talk at you all later. Hugs, loves, and blessings. Bye-bye.